Hello friends, I have conducted recently one Azure SQL database workshop for 7 days. So this is the closing note how I feel and what is the main purpose that was driven to conduct this Azure SQL DBA workshop. So and I have I mean every day like what is the concepts that we learn, how we need to mention those in your resume. Like this day one we have learned these points, and not our, if we cannot mention in the resume that we cannot I have good understanding of Azure SQL database, that we cannot mention in the resume, right? So whatever in learn and what meaningful key lines that will be there, that and we need to extract that and the today session, and that so day wise I have mentioned the points so that we can put that in your resume. So mainly one thing what I would like, whatever we learn that we have to showcase in our resume, then only we can utilize fully our skills, our money, our time as well. So these are the things day 5. And note what are the every day the files will be get attached, okay, to this. And I got some feedback, okay, so from Murli Sriram Garu and like Sandeep, GM Khan, Adam from he's from South Africa, and see KK Kalyani Garu, I think, yeah, Kalyani Garu, and Krishna, yeah, Sarah Rashekar, Divya, and Srinivasulu, and Krishna. Yeah. So all they have given their feedback about my workshop training. Since it is my first workshop, so the mainly aim is to give the participants to mention those reasons and talk about like Azure SQL database in the interview very confidently. That is the one of the primary motto to conduct this Azure workshop. If anything more workshop will be conducted, I will inform in the advance through our YouTube channel. Yeah, I hope you may like this video. Thank you. Bye.